Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the last English test in this year on the second semester, and I look forward to asking to introduce myself. My my name is Sultan and this is a 30 minute test. So in this session, I will do the PHP. I will introduce the PHP and why PHP. So, what is PHP? PHP is the general purpose scripting language, especially for the web development. It was originally created by the nationality program Rasmus The PHP reference implementation is not produced by the PHP group. PHP originates to the personal homepage, but it now stands for the recursive initialism PHP hypertext preprocessors. PHP code is usually processed on a web server by a PHP interpreter implemented as a module. A daemon or discount gateway interface CGI executable. On the web server, the result of the interpreter and executed PHP code, which may be any type of data such as generated HTML or binary image data, pulled from the whole or part of an HTTP response. Various web template systems, web response, and additional PHP can be used for many programming tasks outside of the web context, such as standalone graphical application and robotic drone control. PHP code can also be directly executed from the command line. The standard PHP interpreter powered by the Zen engine is a free software released under the PHP license. PHP has been widely ported and can be deployed on most web servers on almost every operating system. And free of the PHP language evolved without an overriding formal specification of standard until 2014, with the original implementation acting as de facto standard, which other implementation able to follow since 2014. Work has gone and required a formal PHP specification. With the three text reports that as of April 2021, PHP is used by 79% of all the websites who support set programming language we know. Early history of PHP development began in 1994 when Rasmus Lerdof wrote several common gateway interface (CGI) programs in C, which he used to maintain his personal homepage. He extended them to work with web forms and to communicate with databases, and called the implementation personal homepage form interpreter or PHP VI. PHP or VI could be used to build simple dynamic web application to assert bug reporting and of the code. Lerdof initially announced the release of PHP FI as a personal homepage tools, PHP Tools version 1.0, on the Usenet discussion group called .infosystem.www.authoring.cgi on June 8, 1995. This release already had the basic functionality that PHP has today. This includes product variable for handling and the ability to HTML. The syntax resembled that of Perl, but was simpler, more limited, and less consistent. So in this session, I will check our PHP version. So you can type this terminal. PHP minfer. So this is my file 7.3, and even if you already installed the PHP, you can install it from XMPP like this. Click the download link and choose where you want Windows. Whichever version do you have? Windows, Linux, and OS X. I'm using an OS X, but I have some tips on OS X version. I'm literally recommended to click this more downloads rather than this link, because the link before is very kind of like give you a file, but the file is like looping. If you open that like the formatted is gz and zip. If you open the first form is the gz, and if you click that the gz, then the zip is open, but if you click the zip, that's gz again, just like looping. So this is, and just this XMPP Mac OS X, and download the version you want, like this or this. But I think like this. I download the latest, maybe like this. So, and I'm waiting to download. So this download, yeah, we're waiting. Yeah, my download is already done. So this, and I open the XMPP file. Okay, this kind of take a time. and drag this to this. Just I already have one, so I keep it. Oh, this is gonna take time. Politics takes time.
Tanya kalian ya.
Okay, though this is already done and WSX oh I have Q. How about this one? Okay, press start. You can look at the network areas like this localhost, DD. You must press this. Okay, I get. So in this network, this surface, I think I start all. Okay, and we're gonna start this localhost. And this is the PHP info. I got the localhost is 80, but the real version is 73. My PHP version is 7.3. Okay. Let's get a little bit late for me. But I will try. PHP I want to try. Can I try to the PHP? Oh, okay. So I think that's just like the version of the PHP that I already tried to update my PHP, but my Mac is kind of bugged, so I I think there's no worry for this. Okay, so let me start the session. The first is downloading a VS Code. Type VS. Okay. is Visual Studio Code editing redefined. Download and click this. This is downloading, but I already downloaded myself. So this VS Code interface look like. Like this. You can see this is well when you want to show open folder like this. Make sure you already make your folder. With this I am in a document. Yes. Wait. Oh wait. I have one. So, this is my audio. Okay, that's kind of big like this one. Okay. This is the specification of the file PHP. I will spoil a little bit. File PHP is the file in code program is ended with the extension of the PHP. In the first code program must have this the PHP and ended with the PHP if you have, but I think you're not. The thread is name file PHP is there's no other way, just name it the file, and but I recommended you to give a space if you want, just give a strip or underscore like this. This is the first site using the PHP command. You can use this, but this is not. Just use if you want, and you can name in the PHP file like this. You can use space, but I think I don't recommend it too. And okay, let's start. How you print the comment in PHP? This is the hello world things. You type this echo hello world. This is very common, hello world, but the system is different. So you click start and this hello world. And the second is after the hello program. I think this is the type of data number. in PHP is two type of data number. The first is integer or in the decimal is base 10, hexadecimal base 16, and octal is base 8, binary is base 2, and float. In PHP we can add underscore in the in the number, but this is just how this program will this thing is this oh this make the program will make the easier read and when the code is run, but and the underscore will be ignored. For the negative number, we can use strip or miss in the first place of the number, and I have and the underscore things is just in the PHP version of 7.4, because in 7.3 goes to under is not allowed. It's already got nerfed. So if you type this like echo decimal far down, this if you run small int is already in, because this is the integer, so this will be doing the integer. Oh, but octal we type 1 2 3. This is octal. This is octal 1. Wait, I write this integer number 83. This already says yes. Sorry. For the hexadecimal, the for them is so x0 it yes, and in the binary the code is this type p11 like this, and this and the last is underscore in number. Like this, but this is allowed. This is PHP version in the version of PHP like more than 7.4. Okay, this is the type of deep number. The third is is a boolean type in the boolean type. The data type is the simplest data type. Yeah, in PHP, with a true or false. Those values are strictly represented with true case insensitive. False values are represented as false case insensitive, like this. If you try to type true or dump true, if echo false or dump false, like this. Sorry, just some cap. Okay, and this, if you run, okay, true bool true, false is bool false, and this is type data of string. We have the type of this data string is type data string is a representation of the representation of the from the text, and string can include uh, a null or many characters. Null is no word. You can write like this. The single quote is like equal. Name name sorry, a single quote, sorry, this is the single quote. Can type like this, name, and echo so that like this, run name, so that this is the single quote. In addition to single quotes, we can also use double quotes. One of the advantages of using double quote is we use escape sequence for some things like N for enter, T for tab, for double quotes, etc. So you just like name like this. You already type right. Go slash N. And the tab is echo name, really maybe this, and echo D. Would be, this is example like this, and we run like this with the video, because I have the name of this really cute. Maybe this thing like this. Wait, this is step. You just get a little, just get a step, yeah, like this. And if we have a multi-line string, Multi-line string is some multi-line strings. Sometimes we want to create string data that is more than one line. To do that, we can use /n as enter. However, to appear special features, namely here doc and now doc. Here doc is a feature to create a long string, so we don't need to do it manually. Enter, tab, and others manually. You can just like this. Echo, and we test. So this is test. We try to make just type it like and like this, and we just test. Nah, this is like this. This is test. This. We don't use this comment, right? And this is for enter. And this is the now doc. Now doc is similar like to here doc. The difference is that now doc does not have the ability parsing like in here doc or double quote. We will discuss parsing from this implementation. So this type is yes, and this, and this is similar. Yeah, this have similar but a little bit different. I think I already have this done. So if I have a mistaken word, I'm so sorry. I hope this video will help in people. I'm so sorry I have mistaken word. Thanks for watching my video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.